When to go. Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. Go. Okay, go ahead. Hey y'all, it's your girl Liza back on Ask Liza. What it do, boo? 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 So I know y'all like that wayfair content of this couch, baby. Y'all been feeling it. Y'all been vibing out. Don't mind this. Y'all been vibing out, okay? And so I just wanted to hold on, pause. I can't have this in the video. This is not narration. This is theirs. God, the ghetto. Okay, back to reality. I know y'all been feeling my little couch or whatever. Period. Wayfair done did it. So now that I know y'all feeling the couch, let me tell y'all another Wayfair furniture that I got. This TV mount I got from Wayfair. I just got this 75-inch TV. Shout out to my parents. Woo woo! But the Wayfair console, I really genuinely like. It has 6 compartments and then 4 more at the bottom. So this comes with LED lights. You can change it to whatever color of your preference. The mood in here is given like beigey, orangey, tanny. So that's the vibes I go with the night. You know what I'm saying? Then we got a nice little sound bar from Amazon. I believe the brand is called Saiyin, Saiyin. Really loud. Has also a sound woofer on the side. So any bass, we in the movie theaters with it, baby. At home, okay? You gotta make your home, you know. Then we have the PS5. And then we have 2 pictures of me and my honey. And then I got one of these little fixtures from Burlington for about $12.99. Why is the price still on it? I don't know. Then we have these compartments, these doors. So we have our gaming system down here, PS5. As you can see, the doors don't slam. Well, I'll give you another example. They are doors that control how fast and slow they go. So it's really, really good. Sorry. One has to close before the other. Same thing. So I find these. This console was about, what, $200 and something dollars. I'll drop it exactly right here. Okay? And then, yeah. Overall, I feel like it's a sturdy console. Pretty well. Didn't take long for my honey to build. Probably took 20 minutes. Not long. Maybe 45. And now I'm gonna get into the decorations I got. So I did my living room based off this mood board I made off Pinterest. So I was really into the corduroy couch. So that's what you see here first. I got these pillows from Burlington. I believe they were either like $12.99 to $7.99 per pillow. So right now I have 4, and then I'm probably gonna get my couch is pretty big, so I'll probably get like another 4, 5 throw pillows because of how round the couch is. And then I'll probably get like a black throw blanket. I got this from my friend Daff. She went on my Amazon storefront and I didn't really know what type of throw blanket I wanted, so she got me what I wanted, and these are really, really cozy. But I just want the color to change a little bit. Then we got these mounts. We have no pictures in it because we didn't decide what picture, but we used the Amazon spotlights at the top and then black picture frames, I believe also from Amazon. I'll leave everything as best as I can linked in the description below. You can also check my Amazon storefront for that. Then over here, you see the Burlington shelf. I don't even know what that's called. A hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, no, it's called the octagon. This is an octagon frame with just some cute fixtures we threw on. That's the elephant that I got from my grandmother. And then a candle that I made at this place called Rewax and Unwind. And that was a homemade made candle, and it was so good. I'll probably throw a couple more fixtures on there just as the time goes by. Then there's a lamp that we got from Amazon. You know them lamps that change colors, LED. Same thing, kind of like the console, just to give a mood if we can get her on. Get her on. Get her on. There you go. We had technical difficulties. Sorry about that. Production is a little behind today. Okay, and then we also got our curtain rod from Target. I love the curtain rod. It's gold with the crystal finish at at the end. And then we got these what do you call them? We got these dark or blackout curtains. We got black and then we got this white one. And if you come close, you can kind of see the beige detailing on it to match the couch. So yes, that was definitely a win is a win, baby. A win is a win. And then we just put a couple picture frames up in the corner. And then we also have our shelf with our light fixture over here. Listen, it'd be hot in here, so don't mind the fan. But we have our lamp, our light fixture. This is probably one of the first things we got, and we did get it on purpose. I got this from my brother when we first moved in, and then it just kind of went with the aesthetic, and I went with it. And lastly, we have this here. Hope, Faith, Love. I think these were $7.99. Also from Burlington. Just little accent pieces I really genuinely love. And then we also have this for $12.99 from Burlington. And this is really good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a table to go behind the couch. I don't know if you've ever seen it on TikTok. A really thin table. Pull it out, plug it into the outlet so that we can use the outlets and they'll be on top of the table. And maybe I'll use that vase to kind of decorate the table. But overall, that is my living room decorate. Oh, the wallpaper. I also did this wallpaper off Amazon. I believe it's called like gradient or rock wall, something like that. I'll give you how to finish it. That was easy, quick. I definitely tried to show that. Yeah, oh, I didn't have that in the last video. But yes, Wayfair, I would say 10 out of 10 with the furniture. If I do order more furniture, comment down below if you want more reviews because I see y'all like that last one and I'm feeding into it, okay? I'm giving the people what they want. I'm giving the people. But also, I got a lot of stuff from like Amazon, Burlington. So if you guys want videos on other things, shout me out. If you guys find, I still have to decorate my walk-in closet, bedroom, redid the bathroom, not finished. Got to do the stick tiles on the floor. And then also another spare room. So we're going to try our best. But if you want to see anything, comment down below some furniture, comment down the link, say, hey, try this one out. I'll see if I like it. I'll buy it. Then make a whole video on it and let you know the process of how everything came, how long it takes, if it breaks on the process, and all through that. Yes. So this is my little Wayfair uptake on our TV mount, plus a redecoration of my living room because this is my first apartment, so I'm so proud of myself. But all in all, thank you for coming to my talk. This is your girl Liza on Ask Lies.